This video presents Caret-HM, an Android framework for generating user session data. Let's review the installation process. First, make sure the virtual device has proper permissions. Use charmod to set the correct permissions. Start Docker-D if necessary. Build Caret-HM using Docker Compose. This could take some time. Start Caret-HM once everything is set up. The framework is ready to use. Let's review the record and replay process. When started, Caret-HM is accessible on a local machine. Use localhost as a web address to access the framework. Use the username and password to log into the system. Once logged in, Caret-HM will show the emulator and its control bar. The control bar contains the list of available apps. To start recording a session, press the record button. At the bottom of the screen, the framework shows the status of the emulator. Wait until the status bar says ready to start interacting with an app. Once the emulator is ready, record your session. On the right hand side, the emulator shows 3 additional control buttons. The stop button to finish recording the session, back and menu buttons to emulate the corresponding device buttons. Once interaction with the app is complete, press the stop button to finish the session. To replay your session, press the play button. Once replay has started, make sure the recorded actions are replayed correctly. During the replay, Caret-HM captures the UI information and the source code coverage. Capturing information during the replay phase as opposed to the record phase provides better guarantee that the recorded session was preserved properly. After the replay is complete, it is possible to save the session by clicking on the Save button, or clear the session by using the Clear button. Saving the session will provide a unique ID for the session. To restart the emulator, press the Power button. Let's review user and emulator management. Access to the emulator is provided by Guacamole, the tool for remote access management. More detailed explanation on how to use Guacamole is available on its website. Guacamole allows administrators to kill current logged in users, to view access history, to manage users and access to remote hosts. Administrators can change their passwords and user passwords. If there is more than one emulator used in Caret-HM, access to the additional emulator should be added to Guacamole. For more information, please consult the Guacamole's website. Let's review the heat map generation. First, let's look at only one user session that is shown in the list of available apps. We will use the default settings for UI clustering in our example. The statistical session contains some basic information like the number of tests, number of observed activities, and other information that could be useful. The heat map session contains heat maps that are generated using UI clustering. Each of the heat maps represent a UI cluster. Let's review heat maps using multiple user sessions. We will use the previous recorded user sessions for several applications to demonstrate the heat map generation. We'll again use default settings for UI clustering. More information about UI clustering settings is available on our website. The statistics section now shows that there are more than one user session. The number of tests shows 73. Many UI elements were clicked multiple times. The heat maps section now shows an aggregate of all the user sessions and how users were accessing the UI elements. Users sometimes clicked on descriptions. Top left corner contains the number of clicks that users made in this UI cluster. Zero is the most popular digit in this heat map. Let's try to generate a heat map for a different app. The key statistics for this app are different as it has different numbers of user sessions and activities. Let's look at the heat maps. More details about Caret-HM is available on our website. Thank you for watching this video.